Hey guys, this is Youssef from Netroza, and today I'm going to show you a common solution to a common problem when migrating to Microsoft Office 365. So in this example, let's assume you have a hosting and domain registrar that hosts its own mail server, which means you can create unlimited emails and you can use them subsequently for any of your intended purposes. And you've recently wanted to migrate to Office 365 and have hit the stump of having to register up to 100 licenses, and maybe only 20 of them are personal, or only 10 of them are actually going to be used. So Microsoft Office 365 tells you that in order to use Exchange and Exchange Online Protection, you have to set up the Amex CNAME and text record. What if I was to tell you that there is a solution to this problem? This is a very big problem for people that use CRMs or have many contact at services at types of emails that they do not intend on purchasing a license for, and they're stumped by having to purchase licenses for up to 100 emails. The solution is fairly simple. You can keep the current settings and do the following. So after you've verified your domain with Microsoft Office 365, which usually uh, expects you to create a text record on your DNS, what you can do is keep the current settings, verify your domain, and then do the following. Create an email forwarding from your email to your Microsoft alias, and I'll show you how to do this. So as you're setting up your domain, you'll see that your domain is now included in the domain section of your email, of your Microsoft Office 365. If I go to active users, I will see that in my name, I have Youssef@netroza.com.au, and I have an alias, which is Youssef@netroza.onmicrosoft.com. This means that if I ever send an email to this, it will go onto Youssef@netroza.com. And this is exactly what we need in order to set up this workaround. So in order to do this, in your cPanel, usually when you search for email forwarding, so I'm using Direct Admin in this case, it works on both Plesk and cPanel and major panel providers. So if I write forwarding, forwarders, you'll see that in this section, I can create an email forwarder and I can write the email, so the email that already exists on the system, right? And then I put the destination as the alias on Microsoft and then I click add. Now I've already done this, so I'm not going to repeat myself. And now for any email that comes to this email, it's going to be forwarded to Microsoft. You only need to do this for the emails that you intend to use Microsoft 365 with. So in my instance, I want to set up Teams meetings on my Outlook. Hence, I have done this for my email. So when I now send an email to this email address, our mail server handles this and points it to Microsoft. Hence, we have all the features on Outlook. So in this short example, this is an IMAP configuration, it@netroza.com.au. As you can see, I don't have access to Teams and I don't have access to other features that you could normally have access to on when using an Office 365 account. If I go to Youssef@netroza.com, as you can see, I can set up a Teams meeting and use the basic functionality of Outlook, which is what most people only want to use. Unfortunately, Microsoft has added a lot of stumps in the way to be able to achieve this functionality. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions or are looking for any IT related services, visit netroza.com.au. Thank you.